The man who paid $370,000 for this car doesn't know it can do this, or this, and I'm about to show you 10 things hidden inside the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 that even the dealers aren't telling their own customers. Number 7 on this list genuinely stopped me mid-sentence when I discovered it. And number 3, I've never seen another car on earth do what this car does. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you are going to know this car better than 90% of the people who actually own one. Some of these are buried deep in the settings menu, some of them are physical features hiding in plain sight, and 2 of them are so extraordinary that when I tell you what they do, let's start at number 10 and work our way to the feature that made me genuinely question everything I thought I knew about what a car is supposed to be. The Maybach Warmth and Wellbeing package. Number 10, and this one, most owners find completely by accident, if they find it at all. Hidden inside the climate control menu, 5 levels deep in the rear passenger settings, is something called the Warmth and Wellbeing program. Most people think this is just heated seats with a fancy name. It is not. When activated, this system heats the seats, yes, but simultaneously it warms the armrest to body temperature, raises the cabin air temperature in the rear zone by exactly 2 degrees, and activates a subtle infrared heating element built into the seat back that warms your lumbar region from the inside out, the way a heated massage stone works in a 5-star spa. All of this activates from a single hidden button that looks identical to every other button on the center console. Most owners have touched that button 100 times without ever holding it for the 3 seconds required to activate the full program. 3 seconds, that's all it takes. The biometric seat memory number 9, and this one actually made me laugh out loud the first time I understood what it was doing. The 2026 Maybach GLS 600 doesn't just memorize your seat position. Every luxury car does that. That is not impressive. What this car does is memorize the exact distribution of your body weight across 18 individual pressure sensors built into the seat cushion. The car learns your specific body, your weight distribution, your posture patterns, your sitting habits, and then every single time you get in, it micro-adjusts the seat cushion firmness in different zones by inflating and deflating 12 individual air chambers to match your exact biometric profile from the last time you drove. The car is literally reshaping itself around your specific body every single time you sit down. The feature is called Fit and Relax, and it is buried in the seat settings under a sub-menu that most owners scroll past because it looks like it controls the massage function. It does not control the massage function. It is learning you every single time. The Maybach partition glass, number 8, and this is the first feature on this list that genuinely surprised people when I told them about it. The Maybach GLS 600 has a partition glass option between the front seats and the rear cabin. Most people know that. What most people don't know is what that glass can actually do. In standard mode, the partition is clear, obviously, but there is a setting, not in the obvious privacy menu, but hidden inside the chauffeur configuration settings that most owners never open because they are not using a chauffeur, that allows the glass to transition to 3 additional states. Frosted privacy, completely opaque from the front but clear from the rear, completely opaque from both sides, and this is the one that gets people, a one-way mirror mode where the rear passengers can see forward, but the driver cannot see into the rear cabin at all. One-way glass in a production car that you can activate from the rear passenger touchscreen in approximately 4 seconds. Most owners have driven this car for 2 years and used exactly one of those 4 modes. The Burmester 4D sound activation, number 7. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning, the one that stopped me mid-sentence. You know the Burmester 4D sound system in this car. You know it costs more than most people's entire vehicles to option. You know it has speakers built into the seat backs that vibrate the seat in sync with the music. You have heard this car's sound system, and you thought you knew what it sounded like? You don't, because there is a hidden equalizer mode called Maybach Immersive that is not accessible through the standard audio menu. To access it, you have to go into the advanced audio settings, select room calibration, select manual override, and then hold the bass control and the balance control simultaneously for 6 seconds. 6 seconds, simultaneously. When you do this, the system recalibrates every one of the 31 speakers in the car based on the number of occupants currently seated, their positions, and the current ambient sound level inside the cabin. It then activates the 4th dimension of the system, which uses the seat-mounted actuators at a frequency below human hearing to create physical pressure waves that you feel in your chest without hearing them. The music doesn't just fill the car, the music fills your body. I have been in this car with this mode active, and I genuinely could not tell where the car ended and the concert hall began. Most owners have never heard this car. Not really. The Maybach perfume atomizer system, number 6, and I know what you're thinking. You know about the perfume system in the Maybach. It sprays fragrance into the cabin. You've seen it in reviews. You don't know the whole story. The visible perfume atomizer in the dashboard is the public feature. That is what Mercedes shows journalists. What they don't show journalists is the secondary atomizer system built into the rear door panels, which operates completely independently of the front system and is hidden behind what appears to be a solid wood veneer panel. This rear system doesn't just spray fragrance, it can be loaded with a completely different fragrance than the front, so the rear cabin can smell different from the front cabin simultaneously. Activate both simultaneously and the two fragrances are calibrated to blend at exactly the midpoint of the car, creating a third scent that neither atomizer produces alone. Mercedes has a name for this, they call it olfactory architecture. The car has been engineered to control the smell of its own interior the way a Michelin-starred restaurant controls the atmosphere of its dining room. Almost nobody knows the rear atomizers exist, including most of the people who own this car. The Night View, Assistant Plus, Hidden, Mode. Number 5, and this one has a genuine practical purpose that most owners are missing every single time they drive at night. The Night View Assistant in this car uses thermal imaging cameras to detect pedestrians and animals in the dark up to 300 meters ahead of your headlights. You probably know that. What you don't know is that in the 2026 model year, there's a hidden extended range mode accessible only by holding the Night View button for 4 seconds, instead of pressing it once. In standard mode, the system highlights detected objects in amber on the display. In extended mode, the mode nobody knows about, the system activates a predictive trajectory algorithm that not only shows you the pedestrian or animal ahead, but draws a predicted movement path showing you where that person or animal is likely to be in the next 4 to 8 seconds based on their current movement speed and direction. The car is not just seeing what is ahead of you, it is predicting the future of what is ahead of you. And it does this up to 300 meters ahead, in complete darkness, silently, without you doing anything except holding a button for 4 seconds. The Maybach Executive Rear Seat Hidden Recline. Number 4, and this is the most physically satisfying hidden feature on this entire list. You know the Maybach rear seats recline. You've seen the advertisements. What the advertisements don't show you is the full recline. In standard mode, the rear seats recline to 43 degrees. Impressive, comfortable, genuinely remarkable. But there is a recline mode hidden in the seat controls that takes the seat to 62 degrees, almost completely flat. And when this mode activates, it simultaneously retracts the rear headrest backward and upward into a new position, extends the seat base cushion forward by 11 centimeters, raises the footrest ottoman to precisely match the new seat angle, and dims the rear ambient lighting automatically to a preset sleep setting. The entire rear cabin transforms in 17 seconds from a luxury seat into what can only be described as a first-class flatbed in the sky. Except you are on the ground, and the ground is doing 130 kilometers per hour while you sleep. The button that activates this, it is labeled simply Rest. It is the smallest button on the entire rear control panel. Most owners have never pressed it. The exterior lighting choreography. Number 3. I told you at the beginning that number 3 would be something you have never seen another car on Earth do. I meant it. When you unlock the 2026 Maybach GLS 600, the exterior lighting does a welcome sequence. You know this. Every luxury car does this now. But inside the lighting settings menu, under a section called Personalization, then Exterior Expression, then Welcome Choreography, there are 5 additional welcome sequences that Mercedes pre-programmed into this car and then never mentioned to anyone. Sequence 1 is standard. Sequence 2 is what dealers show you. Sequences 3 through 6 were designed by the same lighting director who designs the theatrical lighting for the main stage at the Berliner Philharmoniker. One of these sequences takes 47 seconds to complete. Every exterior light on the car participates. The headlights, the tail lights, the ambient underbody lighting, the Maybach script illumination on the C-pillars, the interior ambient lighting visible through the windows. It is not a car unlocking, it is a performance. I have unlocked this car in front of people who genuinely did not understand what they were watching. I have seen grown adults stop walking and stare. Nobody at the dealership will ever tell you this exists, because nobody at the dealership knows it exists. The Maybach Conversation Mode. Number 2, and this one is perhaps the most elegant piece of engineering on this entire list. The 2026 Maybach GLS 600 can detect automatically, using microphones and AI processing, when the rear passengers are having a conversation. When it detects conversation, it automatically and silently reduces the road noise, isolation in the front cabin, and increases it in the rear cabin simultaneously. In practical terms, this means that when you are talking in the back of this car, the car is actively making the rear cabin even quieter to help your conversation. But that is not the hidden part. The hidden part is that this same system, when activated through the advanced communication settings under a feature called Enhanced Dialogue, can translate the conversation happening in the rear cabin in real time into up to 42 languages and display the translation on the front passenger screen, so the driver can follow the conversation without turning around. A car that translates your conversations in real time, in 42 languages, while driving in silence. The final revelation. Number 1. The feature that made me question what a car is supposed to be. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 has a feature called Maybach Sound Cocoon. It is not in any review, it is not in the owner's manual, it is not on the Mercedes website. To access it, you go into the MBUX interface, enter the wellness section, select acoustic comfort, select advanced, and then select a mode listed simply as Cocoon. When you activate Cocoon, the car uses its external microphones, its internal microphones, and its 31 speaker array to map the complete acoustic signature of the current road environment. It identifies every sound: the engine, the road surface, the wind, external traffic, rain, construction, everything. And then it generates a precise counter-frequency signal played through the speakers at a level below conscious hearing that cancels those specific sounds, not just inside the car, but in the immediate acoustic space around each individual passenger's head. It does not reduce road noise. It does not muffle road noise. It does not block road noise. It erases it. Each passenger gets their own personal sphere of acoustic silence. You can be sitting next to someone in this car, and your acoustic experience can be completely different from theirs. Mercedes spent 7 years developing this technology. The patent filing runs to 412 pages, and it is hidden behind a single word in a submenu that almost nobody has ever opened. Cocoon. 10 hidden features in one of the greatest automobiles ever built that most owners will never find. Now you know all 10, but here's what I need from you right now. Which of these 10 features genuinely surprised you the most? Drop the number in the comments. I read every single one, and I am genuinely curious whether number 7 or number 1 gets more votes, because I have another video coming. 10 more hidden features in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, and I promise you, 2 of them make everything on this list look ordinary. Subscribe so you don't miss it, because that video goes live in 7 days. And if you know someone who owns a Maybach, or someone who dreams about owning one, send them this video, because they deserve to know what they have, or what they're going to get. See you in 7 days.